So, you want to make some money online, but you're really camera shy and you don't like hearing the sound of your own voice? Well, good news, you can still do it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate affiliate commissions without getting on camera or recording your own voice. Stay tuned. Hey, how's it going, guys? Like I said in the intro, this video is going to be all about showing you how to make affiliate commissions without actually showing your face on camera. Because I'm sure if you've been Googling or you've been YouTubing about how to do it, it seems like everybody has to get on camera, do a review of a product, they record their voice, do a podcast, and there's a whole lot of publishing involved. However, there's a lot of affiliates who you have no idea that they exist. Now I'm going to show you their process in this video. So before we get started, let me give you an overview of the certain kind of steps that you need to generate affiliate commissions without showing your face. So there's 5 basic steps to do this. First off, we want to find an offer. Something that pays us well, something that's a quality vendor, it's a quality product, and it's something that we can get behind and something that we can believe in. So that's first thing, we're going to find an offer. Then we actually have to create an email sequence because the real money in affiliate marketing is made not on the initial sale, but it's also made in the email follow-up. So tying back into the first point, we're not going to find one offer, but we're probably going to find 2 or 3 different offers that are sort of related to the same niche that we're actually going to end up sending our people, once we capture an email when they opt into the first offer. So we're going to create an email sequence after we find an offer. Next, we're going to create a fan page here on Facebook. You don't even need a traditional blog or a website to do this. You certainly can, and a blog is certainly a way of generating affiliate commissions without showing your face, but it takes a long time to get started. I mean, I'm talking probably 6 or 8 months before you start seeing any kind of results. I mean, I was able to generate results using a Facebook fan page in about 24 hours. So I'd like to help you cut down on a lot of that waiting. So yeah, we're going to create our fan page, and then we're also going to have to create content or curate content to send over to that page. And then once we have that page set up, we want to then create an affiliate funnel. What an affiliate funnel is, it's a simple bridge page that you capture people from your audience and kind of bridge them over to the affiliate vendor. I'll go into detail with that later on. And then lastly, we need to fill that funnel. And we can do that 2 ways. We can either run paid ads, which are going to give you the fastest results. But again, it's paid ads, there's a little bit of risk there. Or you can post content to that page and then drop an affiliate link, which will build over time as your page grows. But those are really the only 2 ways that you can do it. You need to post content or run ads. So the first step, find an offer. One of the easiest places to find an affiliate offer is what's known as an affiliate network. I'm over here on ClickBank, and this is one of the most well-known affiliate networks on the internet. It's probably the largest because there's a lot of people who can easily put products on there. Now, because a lot of people can put products on there, you do have to do a fair amount of vetting to find a quality one. So as you can see here, I started running a new campaign on ClickBank here to kind of just test this out before I made this video. And you can see I started the campaign here on the 9th, and I've been having some success with it since. I'm starting small and testing before I really scale it up. So to find an offer on ClickBank, you actually go up right here where it shows Marketplace, and you click on there. And then you're going to see here on the left-hand side, there are a lot of different niches that you can go into. I mean, a lot of people now, a big rookie mistake that everybody should avoid is going into this e-business and e-marketing. This should be, now granted, it's very, very tempting because you see some commissions like this, but this is by far the most competitive niche on ClickBank, bar none. So a lot of people go in here to chase the big commissions, and they have a lot of failure. So we're going to stay out of there, at least to begin with. What I like to do is I like to go into the home and garden and the DIY niche. It's a pretty low competition niche, and it's a very good place to start because there's a lot of high quality offers actually on ClickBank in this niche. So one that I actually tried to promote, and I'm having some success with, is the shed plans. So as you can see, this offer is for shed plans, showing someone how to build their own shed in their own backyard. It's a, they're actually giving away, they're not giving away, but they're selling 12,000 shed plans for, I think it's about a $50 price point. I like this offer because it averages about $23 per sale, and there are a lot of complementary products, woodworking products within this niche here. So for instance, you have this one here, Ted's Woodworking is, I think it's 16,000 woodworking plans for smaller projects. Not quite a shed, but something like, say you wanted to build your own picnic table or reclining chair. Ted's Woodworking has that one. They also have this Ultimate Small Shop, which is how to set up your own small woodworking shop. Also related to the niche. Here's another one, is the Smart Saw. It's a DIY, basically a CNC machine. And CNC machines, if you're unfamiliar with, they automate the fabrication process, and they could be tens of thousands of dollars to buy one. This one shows people how to build their own on the cheap and get similar results using wood. But again, there's just a lot of things that are related to that niche, which is why I grabbed that offer. After we find our offer, we actually have to go and build our email sequence. Now, this is the one that I have built for that shed plan offer. And you can see it's, I want to say it's about a month long. And once somebody opts into that list, it will then get, I think I have 22 emails on this list. And luckily I didn't have to write them all myself. A lot of vendors will actually give you pre-made email swipes that you can actually just copy and paste into your sequence. This one here is done using GetResponse, and I'll link everything, and I'll link all the tools that I use below if you want to get started yourself. And I will go deeper into each of these steps in subsequent videos, so you should consider subscribing if you haven't already. And as you can see here on the first email, I kind of just welcome them to my Facebook page, and I'm going to send them things from time to time, and feel free, and I kind of open it up. But you can notice my face isn't on here at all. There's no pictures of me. There's no videos of me. Everything here is just plain text. And the only time I ever really send a picture was to send somebody a meme. So now on to step number 3, build your Facebook fan page. I actually have this page, I call it Dad Skills, because I figured woodworking and everything is kind of dad related. It's a good dad skill of woodworking, so that's kind of the theme that I went with. So you can see here's my little animated guy that I found royalty free on Unsplash. And then you kind of have a profile cover picture, again, not showing my face, not showing anything on camera. And down here, the next step is to actually post content to your site. You can grab royalty free images, kind of write a little post about it. And then again, just post things that you'd find relevant. And as you can see, I do a lot of linking articles with a little bit of commentary. So again, if you don't want to show your face, you don't want to write too much content, you can actually set up a Google alert for your content. So Google alerts, what they do is they actually set up, and Google will put feelers out across the internet, and they will actually forward you all kinds of articles related to whatever keyword it is that you selected. So I picked DIY, and this is every DIY article that comes out each day on the internet. So basically what I do is I kind of scroll down through one of these, and DIY in the home improvement market. Let's click on this. I'll go here, I'll read the article. If the article's good, I'll simply share that article to my page, and then make a comment, ask a question, try to get some engagement, and it'll go out to my audience. And I do that each day. It's important that you keep putting out content on a regular basis if you are running ads. Well, actually, it's important that you keep putting out content every day, because either the content is what you're going to use to drive affiliate commissions, or if you're running ads, Facebook will want to see a good portion of content to balance out a good portion of ads, or else you run the risk of getting shut down. Now, on to our next step is once we actually set up our content page, we have our email sequence set up, and we have our product. We want to actually create a funnel to bring people, when we bring people off of Facebook, we want to bring them into our funnel. Now, I build my funnels in ClickFunnels. I think it's the easiest to use, and I think it's actually the best funnel builder. I've gotten very, very comfortable with it in the past year and a half, and it's you can make changes very quickly, and you can build funnels very quickly, so you can test ideas and get results quickly. Because the faster that you can iterate, the faster you can improve things, the faster you're going to get results. But again, you can build funnels in there's probably 20 different softwares out there. I will actually link ClickFunnels below, but I also link to GetResponse, which you can build a landing page this. It's a lot cheaper than ClickFunnels, but I think it's a little bit more clunky to use. But anyway, the page here, when we actually build our page, our funnel is a single opt-in page. Now I actually want to make the landing page look a lot like the sales page so that there's continuity between my pages and the actual vendor's pages, because continuity builds trust and trust leads to more sales. So I've built this here, and if someone clicks send me my plan, it'll actually bring up the pop-up. I'm actually offering 150 free shed plans to someone to give them a taste and then entice them to actually go and buy. But more importantly, I want to collect their email address so that I can remarket to them later. So the 150 free plans that I got actually came off of the vendor's website, and a lot of vendors will offer you free PDFs and things like that that you can just kind of plug and play, copy and paste your affiliate links into, and offer to your customers. So there really isn't any content creation or product creation on your part at all. So once somebody lands on this page, grabs their plan, they can come down here and they can actually click the play to watch, and that'll actually take them over to their sales page through my affiliate link, where there's a short video to watch, which they're then hopefully to an order form, they buy, and then we earn money. But now we have to figure out a way to fill this funnel, because people, it's not like the Field of Dreams. If we build it, they are not going to come. So to grab people off of Facebook and put them into our funnel, we can do one of two things. We can keep putting out content and attract people naturally. As you can see, I'm only attracting about 200 people with a post, and only 4 people are actually clicking on it. That's hardly enough to start generating commissions quickly. So to do that, we actually start running paid ads. So to fill my funnel quickly, I'll actually run an ad like this. I actually put a nice picture of a shed that somebody had built. I'll put a nice picture of a shed here, and then I have a big long story that's meant to generate interest and kind of create desire to actually click the product and learn how to build a shed themselves. And this is something that I did have to create. This is not this isn't provided by the vendor. This is probably the only thing that you have to create on your own, is the actual ad to get people to click into your funnel. So I put this ad now in front of a bunch of people, and to show you how many people you can get in front of for cheap in the DIY space, watch this. Here are the results of my ad, and here's why I recommend everybody starts out in a niche other than make money online. Because if you look at this, my cost per result, this is my cost per lead. I'm picking up leads and email addresses for about $0.25 a piece. Okay, my average down here is 25 cents. And you can see I spent $45 and I picked up 182 leads in my list. Now let's contrast that with something Make Money Online. You're probably going to be paying about $1 a click and probably paying about $3 to $4 per email address. So this same list in the Make Money e-business space would probably cost me somewhere between $400, $500, or $600 if I had to take a guess. I don't run ads in that space because it is so expensive. But outside of that, this is a very, very cheap way to learn ads. So that's actually where I recommend people go learn ads. Again, if they don't know what they're doing, you're not risking a whole lot of money, and you can get some pretty good results. Like I said, too, there's also 26,000 people saw this ad versus 200 that saw the organic post. So you're going to get results with this a lot faster than you would just posting and posting and posting and hoping that people stumble across your page. So there you have it. That's how you generate affiliate commissions without showing your face or recording your own voice. You find a product, write an email sequence, create a Facebook fan page, curate content on that page, and then build a funnel and run ads. It's as simple as that. So I didn't want to make this video an hour long, so I am going to go deeper on each of those subjects. So if you haven't already subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the thumbs up button if you liked what you heard. Any comments, any questions that you have, drop them down below, and I'll try to address them in the next video. Talk to you guys soon. Hey, if you liked what you saw, hit the thumbs up button. That way YouTube will share this video with more people. And then hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell so you don't miss it when a new video gets released. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and share this with one friend. If you want to get started in affiliate marketing yourself, check out the link in the description for my free affiliate starter kit.